Okay, folks, welcome back to the second video on how to import your share codes. Now, we're going to start with the lead capture page just to show you how to import it. So what you want to do is you want to highlight your share code. Okay, you want to highlight the entire thing, page all the way down to the end. Then what you want to do is once you're inside your LeadsLeap account, you want to create a new page. I've already created one here. I called it testing, but you would just click on this button right here. Okay, and then you'll name it whatever you want. It's for your reference only. And then you click add now. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it. I got it set up here. And then this is under your page manager section. Okay, so once you do that, here's where you want to put in the share code. Okay, you want to click on this because you want to add a new design, because you have to start with a design just to create a page, and they give you two options. Here you can start with a blank page, or if you have a share code like the one I'm giving you, then you simply just input the share code right there and you click on import now, and it's going to bring in that entire page for you. Okay, so once it come up, okay, now we got it populated. Everything looks good. Now what we do is we launch editor. So you always click on launch editor when you want to just edit something. It's really simple. And then, if you're new to it, this is for the new guys. If you're new to it, just play around with it. I mean, you really can't break it. You're not gonna cause any harm to it, because you can always delete it. If it doesn't work out, you delete it. All right, so this is your lead capture page, and there's not much you want to do here. You just want to do a couple of things. You want to put your LeadsLeap account, okay, and you want to put your secret of success link right here. So it's real simple. You click on it and see these windows that pop up. Here's your code. This is where you want to put to, right? It says on click, what do you want it to do? You want it to go to your website. You want it to go to your affiliate link, and that's where you pop in your link. Mine is already there, right? But you would put yours there. You can delete that, and then you pop yours in. And then you do the same thing with your LeadsLeap account. Okay? And it pops up right there. And then you want to make sure you click save all the time so you don't lose anything. Okay, and then here you want to go to your list and you want to change this. You definitely want to change this, because if you keep that as is, people will start opting in, and they're going to be opting in to my list. So this is where you want to click. You want to click here, and then you simply pick from your list. Okay, you should already have your list set up, whatever you want to use. You just grab it from here, and then okay, once that's done, you just click save, and then you close out of that again. All right, we're done with this particular page. So now let's go over to the second page. All right, here is your lead capture pages, right? And here are a few buttons that we're going to change. So I added this button right here, join LeadsLeap. I added it because, sometimes people don't join LeadsLeap if they don't have an account. They don't join right away. On the first page, see how this page, there's an option to join. Sometimes they don't join. Sometimes they just submit their information and they just want to get started on the funnel. So right here, you give them a second opportunity to join LeadsLeap. And don't forget, folks, you need to change your buttons. So I'm going to show you real quickly how you change the buttons on these. And it's the same thing like the first time around. You click on that, okay? Now I don't know why it's not opening up, but Okay, here we go. So it shows my link and you put your link. That's why it's important. You have to make sure you test all these buttons out and then make sure they go right to your referral link, because this is actually a second stream of income, folks. Don't forget that, because when people sign up under you, now even if you have a free account or a pro account, people sign underneath you, you're still building your downline in that particular program. Okay, so you're building your downline in Secrets of Success, and you're building your downline into LeadsLeap. So always make sure you have the appropriate links, your links. Same thing with Udemy. Click on Udemy, and here's my link. You want to delete that, and you want to put your link on there. And always click Save. And then the same thing with the banners. Okay, when we get to the banners, I'll show you. But not so much, actually, because I'm only giving you this page, the banner page, because you might want to add your own banners if you want. But if you don't, then that's pretty much it. You know, you're only changing the lead capture page. You're going to be swapping out your photo and your name on the thank you page, and then the welcome page, you basically do the same thing. So we'll go back to the welcome page. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. I told you that you can bring each page in individually, okay, which is easier for some people. Or see this code right here? It says funnel. You can actually bring in the entire funnel with this code right here. And let me show you what that looks like. It'll look something like this. See this right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 5 pages that'll be brought in right off the bat. And then when you start working on your funnel, so let's say, for example, you click on here, right? Because you want to bring that funnel up so you can work on them. So you can edit each page. And this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pages. So now what you do the same thing. For every page that you want to work on, you click the launch editor. Okay? Same thing. Thank you page, launch editor. Okay, here. Yeah, let's go through this one just in case you guys might want to use that particular page. And this is probably the easiest page out of all of them. Okay? It's not much to this particular page. I like using thank you pages because you want to let them know that, hey, you just joined, and number 2, a confirmation email. Okay, and I put this here because I always like to use this. I let them know that if you don't confirm your email within 48 hours, you will be deleted. And if they don't care, then they don't care. But you make sure you delete the email within 48 hours. And then this is super simple. Boom. Click on the picture, and then you put your picture in. Okay? And you can import that later on. And then you can put your name. And that's it. And that one's pretty much done. And then you go back, you go to the lead capture page. I think we were already on it. Let's go back to that one. And same thing. This button, this button. This stays the same, this stays the same, this stays the same, this stays the same. And you're pretty much done. There's nothing else to change, and your funnel is set up. Now, if you want, you know, say, for example, I don't want to give anyone emails. I don't want to give anyone Facebooks. You can just delete that. I mean, I wouldn't, because, you know, they're going to be expecting that, and it's on a video. But it's your funnel. You can do whatever you want. You can record your own videos. Drop your videos in here if you want. And like I said, I always leave space so I can add maybe another lead capture page. And when you add a lead capture page, everything pretty much stays the same, right? You're going to use the same setup. It's going to be lead capture, thank you page, or welcome page, or lead capture straight to the welcome page. Okay, if you want to avoid this step, because either way, they're going to get a confirmation email. So whether you let them know that there's a confirmation email on the way or not, they're going to get it. And without confirming, chances are they're never going to see this page. Unless you just send them right to that page instead of this page. And that's pretty much it. We're done. I hope everyone understood it. And if you want somebody else, but you wouldn't want to because it matches what the secrets of success is. And like I said, folks, this is a real quick pre-launch. And by the 19th, Russell is going to have a completely new funnel that you can use as an affiliate to start sending traffic to. You know, whatever traffic methods you use. I mean, I predominantly use SafeList. That's where I got you guys from. And I think I'm up to 100 people that actually requested this funnel. I don't know if they're using them, because out of 100 people that wants to use a funnel, maybe 25 will end up using it for some reason. I don't know why. I could never figure that out. But that's pretty much it. I hope it made sense to you guys. I know I tend to go a little fast because I could do this stuff with my eyes closed. But when it comes time to explaining it, it's like, oh boy, where do I start? Because you want to make sure, you know, you're touching everyone, you know, if you're especially a new beginner. So if you are a really new beginner and you want me to cover something in depth, then just shoot me an email. Okay. If you're on my list, then you know how to reach me. So that's about it. I hope you guys got a lot out of it. And all right, happy recruiting. Talk to you guys later.